Hey everyone, how are you all? So, we are back with another live session. There's some issue in my camera, so I'm not able to focus my, video, but my screen is clearly visible. I hope that. Can I have some confirmation in the chat section? So, I welcome you all to my channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. Here we trade live Nasdaq and we'll try to pass our $10,000 challenge. This is our second day. In first day we made around $136 profit. So I'll tell you a little bit about my previous analysis which I shared here, and I wanted to tell you see how it worked. So see how I told in the live, you can see that previous video, that on this level or is this level or this level, if we find any double bottom, triple bottom, or inverse head and shoulder kind of thing, it's almost that thing only. After that we will have a nice bullish move. See, it broke out, then it properly retested, and see how good move we got it. So that was also a good analysis, although we took a trade on the bearish side, but that would have been also a great trade. So now let's move to the next day and we'll start again from the basics. I'll tell you how I form my trades, how we'll enter, how we'll book profits, everything. Don't just sit here to make money or anything like that. Your main focus should be learning the trading so that after some time you can trade on your own and you are not dependable on me. Grab everything which you get from here, the mindset, the focus, the experience, the learnings, how I make the trades, everything you will get to learn. Let me show my account. You can clearly see the balance is 10,136 where we left on Friday. It's exactly the same. We take just one trade till now and our average win is $139.2. Okay, so now let's make today's trade. Clear all the previous drawings. Start with 1 day time frame analysis. Okay, what I can see is just look a brief view. Okay, don't go in details, just a brief view. Tell me in comment section what you can see, then I'll tell you what I will see. If you take on the short term on daily time frame, it's clearly the uptrending market. Okay, but now it's consolidating from past 4 days, you can see. So there may be a chance that a retracement might be coming to form a higher low. Okay, or up, and it should go like this. Okay, so overall our bias is bullish on the 1 day time frame. Now let's shift to the next time frame, that is 4 hour time frame. What you can see here, broadly it's uptrend, right? What is it making? Tell me. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and it's consolidating here. Okay, so it's a clear uptrend on 4 hour time frame also. Now shift to 1 hour time frame. Here you can clearly see what you can see. It's a clear consolidation. Those who don't know what consolidation means is, let me tell you, consolidation means when you get equal highs, equal lows, equal highs, equal lows. By equal, I don't mean that exact equal, like 15850 is previous high, then next high should be also 15850. No. In market, there's always a zone. There's never a clear point that exactly that point, nothing like that. It's a zone. So it's almost equal highs, equal lows. Okay. So in 1 hour time frame, it's consolidation. Let's shift to the 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, what I can see is on a short term thing. If you see, if we start from here, high, sorry, low, then it's a high. It's a low, then it's a high. Okay. But if you can see, this one is a lower high. So market is not in a clear trend in the short term frame, right? We can't clearly say that it's uptrend or it's downtrend in the short term, that is 15 minutes time frame. So it clearly means that we can either take a trade bearish or bullish. We don't have a bias today. Like previously we had a bias, but today there is no complete bias. Okay. Now we'll shift to the time frame where we love to trade. But before that, we have to mark few levels in 15-minute time frame. Okay. I told you in the previous video also that how to make the levels. You have to see the point where market is reacting, you know, like it's taking good support, it's taking good resistance. That is a good level. Okay. So here what I can see is, see, this point. This point is a clear, here market came, it took support and it's gone up. Then it broke down, it gone low. So it's an important level. Okay, it again took the retest here. It's almost a resistance from this point only, here, 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 again and again. So it's a good zone. We can say it's a good zone to take. And one more, it's, you can all clearly see, is this level. How many time market is taking support from here? It's, that means it's a strong support. If it breaks, it means it will fall down. Okay. So now these are our major intraday levels for the day. Okay. Now let's move to the time frame where we love to the trade, that's 5-minute time frame, right? And now we'll make our clear view what will be our trading strategy for the day. I'm very clear that my trading strategy for NAS 100 is just price action. What that means is, what price say, I'll react to that. Okay. So see, if we take this high and check, so the, this point, see this point, it's a lower high, right? Market is not touching this level. It means either a good up move is coming where it will break this level and then retest and then go higher, or it's a lower high and it's a starting for a downtrend on a short term bias. So now what will be your trade criteria? See, count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is also same thing, 8 9 times market has touched this level. Okay. If it again comes here, it will try to catch the buyers. What does I mean by this? it will make a double bottom here, everyone will get interested, and it will straight hit the stop loss. Okay, so I'm not interested in buying on this level currently. What I am interested in, either buying in this level if I get a good pattern here, something sort of inverse head and shoulder or double bottom kind of thing, or a strong bullish candle, then I'll take a nice 1 is to 2 upside trade. Okay, or you can see, if we look at as a one head of an head and shoulder. Okay, and this also another head, like this is a shoulder, this is a head, and one more, and it break this level and then retest and then give a downside view, then I am interested in a bearish trade also. So this is my today's view. Let me explain it again clearly. You can see this is almost a short of head and shoulder. See, right? And this is the neckline. What I am seeing is it broke the head and shoulder. Okay, then it goes for the retest of this head and shoulder. Okay, and now it's again coming down, and what I feel is it will make a double top here and it will fall down. So either we'll take a trade for a bearish side if it forms something like this and gives a good entry signal, and we'll take a trade. Okay, one scenario is this. Another scenario is I consider this as a single bottom. Okay, and one bottom is formed here, and this will be the neckline, and market shoots up, retest, and then goes up. So I'll be interested in a buying side trade. Okay, these two will be my criteria for the day. Let's see. Now it's complete game of patience. We'll react to how market behaves. It's not necessary to trade daily. Learn this. Remember this. It's never necessary to trade daily. The lesser you trade, the more money you will make. If you don't have any clear view, leave that day. Today's our view is not much clear. I'll see how market reacts, then I will react to the market. If you want to ask me anything regarding trading or anything like regarding funded accounts or anything, you can ask me. So I'll be taking the trade live here, absolutely very clearly. You'll get to know when I'll take the entry take the exit, I'll tell everything here. But your main purpose should be learning so that you can trade from by learning from me. After some time you can trade on your own. I'll try to host these sessions as many as possible. If you have any type of questions, you want to interact regarding anything, your views are open. Your messages are most welcome. Every day almost my trading time will be 7:30 to 8:30. So this is our previous trade day before yesterday on Friday. The account I'm using is Funding Frontier. They sponsored this program, so they gave me account this for free. Your charts should be very neat and clean. You don't need hundreds of indicators on lines and everything like that. Just need a simple analysis. 10% is your analysis and 90% is your mindset. Trading is completely mindset, nothing else. If you don't develop anxiety, panic, you'll excel in trading. But to develop these things, it take a lot more of time and a lot of hard work. It took me 3 years to become profitable. Trading is the most difficult profession to make the most easy money. If you want to remain in contact with me in future, please subscribe my channel and like the video if you like it. I won't ask for anything else, just a like and a subscribe. And that too if you like the video, otherwise you don't need to subscribe and you don't need to come again to my channel. But if you get to learn something valuable, please subscribe. Trading is a complete game of patience. You have to patiently wait for your turn to come. Otherwise you will suffer. Market give you good time, you know. Never try to rush the things. The more you will rush the thing, the more far your success will go. It's clear cut from my experience. Set these things in your brain, set these things. Tell your brain daily. Be patient, be patient. No anxiety, nothing. Just follow the process. Money will is a byproduct, it'll come. If you trade good, money will automatically come. After 8:30, if we don't have any entry, and after that if we get any entry, I'll update on that Telegram. If you are not subscribed to the Telegram, please subscribe. The link is available in the bio so that you don't miss a good trade. till 8:30 we will be live. Either it is a proper stop loss hunting or there's some news event, because many sellers will be having stop loss here. If this candle comes down like this, anything somewhat near here, we'll take a short side trade because it is a proper liquidation, or it may be a starting for a good up move. I feel it's a stop loss hunting candle. Time will tell. Let's see how our market analysis for gold is going. Oh, it's a stop loss. See, I also fail sometimes because this was a hurry from me. This analysis I gave on Instagram, but I made a hurry. I predicted that it'll come to this and then, but I took an early entry here, thinking that it's a retest, bounce, and we'll make a good trade. So good traders also make mistakes, but what depends is how much you lose when you make mistake and how much you win when you are right is the difference in a good and a bad trader. I think we can open a buy trade here, because what I was thinking is that again is happening. It's a kind of this level was very important and it's a double bottom here. But seeing the candle size, I am not interested in taking the trade because it's an impact of a news. So just keep sitting and wait patiently. Let me explain something to you. It will help you a lot. See, what I was earlier telling, if you remember, if you see this point, right? This point and this point I told it was lower side on lower side, right? But now market has broke this. Okay. So now we can say is in short term also we are in uptrend, right? So if our stream time is over and after that you get any opportunity, so I'm telling you that what you can take a trade. It may go somewhat near here or more high, I don't know. It may come for a retracement, and if you get any good pattern while retracement, so it will be a good upside move because it's a starting of an uptrend in short time frame. If possible, I'll update that on Telegram, but if not, you can take your trade by yourself also. If you are not confident, just take a paper trade, but see the market. Maybe you get to learn something very good. And never overthink while trading. Never ever. The analysis you made on the first point is always correct. After that, what you do due to overthinking is just a waste because it's your mind playing with you, nothing else. I'm saying this by experience. Each and every line which I'm saying is my experience. I'm not saying anything written from any book or anything like that. It's just my knowledge which I have gained over time and it's my experience. I promise you, I'll help my viewers to get their funded account passed and get some payouts from them. I want to change life of many people. It's my dream, it's my aim. That's why I choose medicine as my profession. I love to help people. I know it's very boring to wait, but let me tell you a secret. Good trading is always boring because you have to repeat same process over and over till then it becomes boring. If you have excitement while trading, that means you are not professionally trading and you are not profitable. Because if you react to each and every move of the market, you are not doing it right. Your plan should be clear in your mind crystal clear that how will you take the trade, how will you enter, and how will you exit. Before entering the trade, you should know each and every aspect of your trade so that your results are completely certain. It's not uncertain. Trading is not a lottery or a get rich quick scheme. It's pure profession, pure hard work, and pure mind game. It tests your patience each and every time. On the screen, when you are sitting on your screen, you should be absolutely patient. Don't think that this is the last day of the market. After this, market will never come. Never trade like this. Market is always here. If you miss one opportunity, nothing happens. Another opportunity will come afterwards. So don't try to rush. Just keep sitting calmly, patiently, and wait for your turn. If you want to ask me anything, you are most welcome. Earlier, I used to trade Indian markets also, but with this profession of medicine as a surgeon, it's im- it's not possible for me to sit in Indian market time. That's why I skipped it. Now I have just focused on forex trading, and in Indian market I just take swing trades, and I'm taking a good return from there. Keep your goals realistic. Don't expect that you will gain 20, 30, 40% a month. Warren Buffett compounded his wealth by just 18% annually. So those fraudsters who are saying that they'll help you get 100%, 200% month or a day or year, all are complete fraudsters. You can think if it's a 100% return per month, the man will be sitting next to Mukesh Ambani and Jeff Bezos. So keep your goals very realistic. 4-5% returns a month is just more than enough. More than enough. Even more than enough, not. It's a just a lottery kind of thing also only. 5% a month, it means almost 80-90% a year. That's also unrealistic. So if you get consistent returns just 2 through 3% a month also in yearly, it's a very good return. I trade Indian markets. I focus on 4 to 5% a month, and I'm very satisfied. I just have a one strategy. I use that. I take 2 to 3 trades per month. That's it, and I get good returns. Same here in forex market. I hope for a decent amount of return. Increase your capital, then your money will increase. Don't try to increase the percentage. I mean, try, but be realistic. These trading challenges are blessings for new traders. If you learn how to trade, then you can make good money from them. If you don't know how to trade, then you will keep on blowing your accounts. It's very clear. For a good trader, these challenges are just a blessing, nothing less than that. These changed my life. This NAS 100 trading, I'm trying a new thing. Earlier, starting, I used to trade swing trades on 4 hour time frame. like that when I don't knew about these funded challenges. Then I've shifted to AUS 200 FTSE, and FTSE also I have a good strategy, but that who take place in afternoon, so I'm not available to trade in afternoon. Now that's why I'm starting to trade NAS, so that in New York session I'm available. I'll try to, you know, make as many sessions in a month as possible, because live trading gives you confidence. Live trading gives you control. You know others are sitting to see you, and you know yourself also, like as a viewer, that someone who has more experience is sitting in front of the screen and telling you, so you have a different level of confidence. That's why live trading is also a good thing. And try to learn as much as possible. Don't trade from day one with a new trader. First test him, check him, analyze his results. Then you can bet your money on that person. Even if it's me or any other person, I am just giving a general guide. First develop your confidence, plus first develop your trust, then put your money. And don't just trade with me, learn with me, so that you are not dependable. After 6 to 7 months you can trade on your own, and very confidently you can trade. So now in this I'm very clear. I'm just waiting for a retracement and a good pattern to take a buy side trade. Currently I'm not interested in a sell side trade. Okay, even if it breaks this, I will not take any sell side trade, because it has made a higher high, so it's an uptrend kind of move. So bias is bullish now. Let's see. Yeah, see, even in 1 hour time frame also it has crossed the consolidation. It was consolidating from 20-30 hours, and now it has broke this. If you see this on 1 hour, you can see this was consolidation, this was breakout, this is retest, and then a good bullish candle. It means now market sentiments are bullish. So what our viewpoint is same, a, a mini retracement, a good engulfing bullish candle or a pattern, and an upside trade. It will be a best idea for now. If you get any opportunity after the New York session is over, don't take the trade. But if you are in New York session and you get the trade, you can take it. I rarely prefer taking trade after 8:30. I'll not take the trades because I have to show my progress live only. I won't show it on Telegram took trades or anything, The trades which I'll be taking between 7:30 to 8:30, in that only my progress will be shown in this account. No other trade will be taken. It's just for your analysis that I am telling. If you want to take the trade, this will be the best option. That a kind of retracement, a good pattern, somewhat near here or anywhere, and then upside trade. So it's just for your analysis, nothing else. I won't take a trade. So our target is 7.5% for this account, and we have achieved 1.3% currently. I hope we should be able to clear this challenge, then round 2, and then get a funding from it. If we get if we pass this challenge and if I get a payout, I'm making an announcement. If I get a payout, I'll gift a $10,000 account for free to one of my subscriber. And what's the scenario is, you have to like the video and you have to share it on your story on Instagram and send me the screenshot. That's the criteria for entry. I'm repeating it. You have to like this video, you have to share this video link on Instagram and send me the screenshot on Insta or Telegram, anywhere, and I'll gift a $10,000 account if I get a payout from this. Entries are open till 1 week, till 27th of November. After that, I won't take any new entries. Depends on the payout size. There may be one or two winners for this. Let's wait for few more minutes if we get any entry. So I don't think, yeah, we are getting any opportunity. As I told you, my trading window is 7:30 to 8:30 only, Indian Standard Time. So after that, I won't take any trade in that account, right? If I get any entry, I'll update on Telegram. You can take if you wish, but I will not take because I have to show my progress completely live. Okay. So now I think we should end this stream. I hope you get to learn many new things. Today it was all about psychology, that sitting patiently, don't getting any exhaustion, just patiently waiting for your turn, and if it's not coming, silently move away from the market. That's it. Okay, so bye bye, take care. See you tomorrow.